Spring sowing, especially with small seeds like carrots, can be tough, especially for older individuals. It requires careful distribution of seeds at the right distance, with the extra step of thinning them out later if too many seeds fall in. To simplify this process, some clever folks have come up with a new method: making seed tape at home. All you need is toilet paper, seeds, and a water bottle. Here's how. Lay out the toilet paper, place the seeds at the appropriate intervals. Spray it with water, fold the paper, and voila! You've got seed tape ready for sowing. The seeds will easily sprout through the toilet paper. This method ensures correct spacing, eliminating the need for later thinning. This method often results in quicker germination compared to planting seeds directly in the soil. The moisture and warmth provided by the paper towels create optimal conditions for seeds to sprout. You can also store it rolled up until you're ready to use it. When it's time to plant, just lay the tape in the prepared furrows, moisten it, cover it with soil, and press gently. We highly recommend it, especially for small seeds. If you found this helpful, show your support by liking our video and subscribing to our channel.